Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim your daily check-in rewards in Genshin Impact. So the first thing to do is to open the Genshin Impact application on your device and make sure that you're logged in and you are in the game. Now from the game section, go ahead and tap on your Paimon icon at the top left corner. Here, go ahead and select the mail option on the left. Here, you will be receiving daily rewards. Simply select one of the rewards and click on Claim at the bottom right to claim the specific reward. If you want to claim all the rewards in the mailbox, click on Claim All on the bottom left, and that's how you can easily claim your daily rewards in Genshin Impact. So that's how it's super easily done. After you do this will transfer the Primogems, mora and materials into your inventory. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.